It's a well-known fact that mutation is an essential part of evolution. After billions of years, planet Earth has seen some incredible mutations take place. In today's video, let's focus on those genetic mutations that have made waves across the globe. From two-headed dolphins to mutant honeybees, here are the 10 unusual animals born with shocking genetic mutations. Before we get started, make sure to leave a like on this video. Also, if you'd like to join this month's Star 5 giveaway of a brand new iPhone 12, then all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and watch this video until the end to find and comment the hidden message. Good luck! Number 10. Two-headed calf. Let's begin our list by talking about the adorable calf who stole the hearts of millions. Meet the two-headed calf named Annabelle, who was born on a family farm in Florida. Unlike other calves and cows of the world, there is one thing that made Annabelle so special. She was born with two heads. As soon as she came out of the womb, the family noticed the young calf sport two heads, two mouths, two noses, and four eyes. The one-of-a-kind calf was so shocking to look at, she immediately made national headlines. But unfortunately, Annabelle was born too weak and died 40 days after being born. To this day, the Florida native Annabelle is considered to be the longest two-headed calf to have survived after birth. Number 9. Mountain lion. Up next at number 9, it's the wild mountain lion that was accidentally discovered on the road. In 2016, one Idaho native man came across a creature that seemed too unique to be true. After seeing his dog being attacked by a mountain lion, the Idaho native soon approached the wild animal, and what he saw he couldn't believe. Right in front of his eyes was a mountain lion that had fully formed teeth and whiskers growing out of his forehead. Soon enough, the rare animal was brought to the attention of animal experts and conservationists. According to Amy Rodriguez, a biologist who works with the Mountain Lion Foundation, this type of genetic mutation is extremely rare to witness in these animal species, and we couldn't agree more. Amy shared, "I've never seen anything like that before in a mountain lion." Number 8. Duck with 4 legs. On our number 8 place, let's take a look at the adorable duck whose extra limbs made the animal a star. In 2007, a shocking genetic mutation was captured on a young duckling. Nikki Janeway, who is a duck farmer based in the UK, reported one of her newborn ducks to have unusual anatomy. Nikki shared, "It was absolutely bizarre. I was thinking, he's got too many legs, and I keep counting 1, 2, 3, 4. He's eating and surviving so far, and he's running about with those extra legs acting like stabilizers." Surprising to even Janeway, the young duckling named Jake managed to survive after birth. When it comes to these type of genetic mutations, it's no secret that Jake's case is extremely rare and unique. Only a few other multiple-limbed ducks have been reported in the past, but none seem to have survived as long as little Jake. Number 7. Two-headed dolphin. Annabelle isn't the only animal on our list that was born with two heads. Up next, let's talk about the shocking flipper, whose unusual head shape found its way on social media platforms. In 2014, a strange creature was found washed up on a Turkey beach. Upon closer inspection, locals realized what they came across was a dolphin with two heads. The fishermen contacted the appropriate authorities, and soon enough, this unusual discovery found its way on international headlines. As it was later revealed by marine biologists, seeing conjoined dolphin twins is extremely rare, as these types of creatures die soon after birth. Number 6. Goat with 8 limbs. Coming in at number 6, it's the rare animal whose unusual genetic mutation has stunned animal experts and veterinarians across the globe. In May of 2014, a local Croatian farmer called the local news to report a unique goat being born on their farm. According to the owner, who thought he was having vision problems, he saw his newborn goat be born with 8 legs. After rushing to his neighbor to make sure he wasn't seeing double, the world confirmed its first 8-legged goat, nicknamed the octogoat. Vets believe that this genetic mutation was the cause of twin embryos not splitting properly in the womb, which ultimately resulted in the young goat sporting 4 extra limbs. But that's not all, because along with having an extra set of limbs, this unique goat was born with both male and female reproductive organs. We told you this Croatian creature was super rare. Number 5. Three-headed frog. Taking our number 5 spot is the frog that made national news and headlines. Meet Froggy, the 3-headed and 6-legged creature that was spotted hopping around in the garden of a children's nursery. Along with its extra limbs and heads, it seemed like the amphibian was also sporting 2 extra mouths. After careful observation, it was concluded that the three-headed creature's eyes and legs seemed to function normally. As you can imagine, the unique animal soon captured the attention of wildlife experts and conservationists. Mike Dilger, who is a wildlife reporter and English ecologist, spoke to BBC News about the stunning amphibian. Mike shared, "I have never seen anything like this. Frogs are primitive animals, so the occasional extra toe is not that unusual, but this is very unusual." Number 4. Grumpy cat. Up next at number 4, it's the internet sensation that has gained millions of supporters and followers over the years. Meet Grumpy Cat, the internet's favorite feline. Tartar Sauce, who's deemed Grumpy Cat by millions across the globe, became an internationally adored meme after pictures of his unusual face made its way online. Born with an underbite and feline dwarfism, Tartar's unique appearance and expression became instantly recognizable. From TV appearances to millions of followers and fans, it's no secret that Grumpy Cat has become one of the most famous and unusual animals of the modern world. But sadly, the internet had to say goodbye to their meme in 2019 after Tartar Sauce passed away from a complicated infection. Number 3. Dog with birthmark. Taking our number 3 place, it's the adorable Labrador pup, whose giant face birthmark made a few heads turn. Enzo Viola is a 3-year-old white Labrador who was born with a rare genetic mutation that resulted in the pup having a big blotch on the left side of his face. Taking this unusual mutation to social media platforms, Enzo soon became one of the most adored lab pups in Texas. And while this 3-year-old puppy may have a unique characteristic, Enzo's unusual birthmark doesn't make him any different from other dogs. His owners shared, "He's special, and who doesn't like to look at dogs? The mutation doesn't affect any part of him except for his looks." Number 2. Two-headed snake. On our coveted number 2 place, it's this unusual snake that has been named Medusa because of its unusual feature. Feast your eyes on the two-headed albino Honduran milk snake that is apparently worth $55,000. Born with an extremely rare genetic mutation, Medusa soon found its way on national headlines. According to the owner, who paid a hefty amount on this, the unique creature here is why Medusa is truly one of a kind. "I've wanted her since the day she was born. The snake is perfect. Some other two-headed snakes are beautiful, but they have a kink where the heads become one. Medusa doesn't. It's as if she was meant to have 2 heads." Number 1. Honeybee. And last but not least, let's take a look at the extremely rare genetic mutation that has dazzled scientists and animal experts across the field. In August of 2020, National Geographic reported having found a honeybee that was both a male and a female. It was actually the beekeeper Joseph Zagrinsky who stumbled across this creature. Along with having creamy yellow eyes, the beekeeper noticed another unusual feature. He witnessed radar dish eyes that were typical of male honeybees. But while the eyes may have dictated a male gender, the bee's abdomen, stinger, and wings were clearly female. This honeybee soon hit international headlines as animal experts and beekeepers from around the world gathered to witness such an interesting and unique genetic mutation. And with that, we end today's video. Which rare genetic mutation did you find the most extraordinary? Are there any unusual animal mutations you think deserve a spot on our list? Leave your thoughts down in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe and give us a like. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video from Star 5. Thanks for watching. Until next time.